Hello trader, we are watching Bank Nifty chart. It's a 1 minute chart. In this chart, automatically you will receive calls on daily basis for intraday trading. For example, now a buy call generated. So a green color candle open. Buy at 40,373 is the entry point. This chart daily basis analyze the candle movement. Whenever a breakout happen, you will receive calls like this in live market. Today October 18. Now the time is near to 12 pm. Now a buy call generated at 40,373. The first green color line is our first target, that is more than 100 point, and second green color line second target. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So on daily basis, this chart will analyze the candle movement automatically and provide calls automatically. Let's wait and see how this call works. After 1 pm, market finally able to break out the first target range. Market currently trading at 40,480 range. Bank Nifty weekly option chart, 40,500 call option, out of the money option chart. At 204 the buy call came, market went up to 240 range. Like this only the direct option chart will look. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. On daily basis, you are just going to open the chart and you are going to watch it in live market. Automatically it will analyze the market movement and it will provide the call. You are just going to place the order according to the calls. Thank you.